Hello everyone, welcome to my channel In My Life. If you are new to this video, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, I am going to show the process of bhel puri. Ingredients required are roasted peanuts, puffed rice, red chili powder, salt, oil, tomatoes, lemon, onions, coriander leaves. First, take puffed rice, red chili powder, salt in one bowl and mix it well. Then take lemon and squeeze into this. Next, we need to add the oil and then add tomatoes, onions, coriander leaves and roasted peanuts. And mix well. So after this, our bhel puri will be getting ready. So this is the yummy process of bhel puri. I hope you all like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.